today's video, I'll be teaching you on how you could borrow and supply on Avalon Finance. Let's dive into it. So in this video, because of this video, we'll be learning on how we could borrow or lend. And a lot of network you could work with, but in this video, we're working with BNB chain. So I'll be teaching you on how you could get this particular token. So now, first thing we do, we'll go to CoinGecko. When we go to CoinGecko, we'll search the token. Now we'll copy the contract address under the F20 blockchain. Now head over to pancakeswap. We'll paste this token here. We are going to work. This is what we want. So I don't really have much token, much BNB. So we're just going to work with just $1. Let's see what will work. I just want to show you on how it works. You understand? So let's work with $1, $1.2. I don't really have much token. So I'm going to buy this token. Now let's swap to. So it would be costing me approximately $0.88 to get this. So now we've gotten this. We've bought the token. Now next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to our site. Now we'll refresh this. Let's refresh it. So let's just make sure that okay, we've done something. Now we head over to the token we want to supply, which is this. Now it's already indicating that we have this amount, so we're going to say supply. We say maximum. We say approve. It's going to cost us $0.22 to supply this token to the sorry, let me go back. I think I should just take it little by little. So we'll go back to supply, tap maximum, then tap approve. Now wait for it to load. Let's just take a moment. Then tap next. Okay, we're paying 0.12 apparently. So that is done. We've successfully supplied SolvBTC.BBN. So Avalon chain. So we've supplied successfully. You can see that we don't have successfully supplied to it. So now let's go to the next one. Let's borrow. Let's see if we could borrow. Okay, I think it didn't go through. Didn't it go through? Let's try it again. I think it went through now. Supply BNB. Let's try it again. I think it didn't go through. Alright, it just went through now. Just went through. You can see now our borrow button has shown. All done. I've been able to supply this amount into it. I'll close the wallet. Now I'm going to show you on how to borrow. This is the amount we have to borrow that's available for us to borrow. So still the same process. You do the same thing, acknowledge the risks, then you go through. Although I'm not going to confirm the transaction because I don't want to borrow. I just want to get my API. So once you confirm this transaction, automatically you could borrow. So that's how to supply and borrow on Avalon using the F20 blockchain and the token we are working with, which is SolvBTC.BBN. Now there are other tokens you could work with currently, other tokens you could work with on different chain. So let's assume we were working with the Arbitrum chain. So basically we would still be doing the same thing. That's with the Arbitrum chain, the ENB has the more point. Okay, I think it's still the same thing. So we'll be doing the same thing. You would head down to, let's assume we wanted to work with the Arbitrum, but which we are not doing. I just want to show you on how if we want to work with the Arbitrum network. So we're doing this. So when we come down here, you could select the chain we want to work with. So you can copy this. You can use Uniswap, or I think okay, yeah, pancakeswap supports Arbitrum, so you could still do this. So let's reject this transaction because we're not going to do that. That was for us to borrow. We're not borrowing. So let's just, so now, okay, I think I've not added Arbitrum one network to this. I don't really have funds on that. So once you get your Ethereum on the Arbitrum network, then you could come here, then still do the same process. You buy the SolvBTC.BBN, then you go back here. Once you've gotten the token, it automatically show here, then you supply. So it's very simple. So to come here, this is your point. So I think as time goes on, your points would I think I need to select my chain, which is okay, this is my rank 250. I just borrowed, I just supplied, so I'm rank 250. So if I go downward, you'll see where I am. So this is how you could borrow and lend on Avalon chain network. I hope this video helps you understand how you could work on this. So note that each of this process is the same on each of these networks. You get, each process is the same on each of this network. You just need to know where you could get the tokens listed under these networks. So it still works with the mailing, it still works with the core, it still works with the scroll network, the Ethereum network. So you just need to know where your dApps is and know how you could work with your coin explorers, which are the CoinGecko or your CoinMarketCap. I usually love working with CoinGecko because it makes work more easier for me personally. I prefer working with my CoinGecko because it makes work more easier for me. So you might want to work with CoinMarketCap. So still on the, let's assume we want to work with the Ethereum network. Still the same. So you can see the asset under Ethereum. So let's still work with the Solv. I think if we check under the blockchains, you can see Ethereum, Merlin, Mantil. So if you're getting Ethereum, now you can still use Pancake, or you use Uniswap, You can use Pancake, you can use Uniswap if you want. Yeah. So you can see use Pancake, you can see use Uniswap, or going back, you could work on Steve wants to work on the base network or the bit layer network. Going back to solve protocol. We could go down here, you'd see where this is listed under. So on BSC, Dodo, Arbitrum, Dodo. So that's about that for that. So if you have any question, you could ask it on the comment section. You can ask on the comment section. You could do it to share my video, and thanks for watching. For more inquiries, you could chat us up on our Discord channel or our Telegram channel, which will be linked. The link will be in the description of this video. So the link will be in the description of this video. So you chat us up on our Discord or Telegram, and you get more info on our Twitter handle to know what is latest on Avalon. Thank you so much for watching.